In this video, we will be sourcing a second lay here. For this, put again upside down. Choose a pieces not corner at the top lay. Marriage center, that is not included yellow. This one, no, I don't care about that because it is yellow. I don't care about the corners because it is not important for me, because I want to just replace this marriage here. This is orange and yellow. It is not included yellow, orange and green. This piece included orange and green. I'm turning orange side. This is orange side, and it should be go to green side. Orange, and here is blue, and here is green. It will go to it. This piece should become here. It means that put opposite of your face. This piece, if here was green like that, you should put here, but because it is orange, I'm putting here. This piece should come left side for this action formula. Up anti-clock side, left anti-clock side. Up, don't worry about another thing, it will happen. Up clock side, left clock side. Up clock side, front clock side. Up anti-clock side. Front anti-clock side. It came from here to here. Another pieces, don't worry about it. I'm looking for between these four pieces that is not included yellow color. They are in yellow color, and I find this one. This piece is not included this lay. It should become one of this marriage. It's included red and green. Red is opposite of your face. Just turn all of pieces, exactly push opposite of the red, and here is green. Green is here, no, here is blue. Green is here. It means that it should be go to right side here. For this formula, it is exactly similar to this formula. You should, you will be find out that what is the difference. Very similar difference. For when this piece will come to not left side, right side, formula is that up clockwise, right clockwise, up anti-clockwise, right anti-clockwise, up clockwise, sorry, up anti-clockwise, front anti-clockwise, up clockwise, front clockwise. It became right position. Another pieces, don't worry about again this corner. Another pieces that I'm not caring about that because it included yellow. No, it's yellow. This one, blue and red. I'm finding this center blue. Where is blue? Here, and red. Red should become here. No, because it is, it should become here. It means that this piece should become right side. Again, formula. Up clockwise, right clockwise. Up anti-clockwise, right anti-clockwise. Up anti-clockwise, front anti-clockwise. Up clockwise, front clockwise. It became. Again, between these four pieces, I'm looking for a piece which is not included yellow. Yes. and I'm putting center of the yellow, center of the second lane. I'm going to apostrophe orange, and orange and blue should be here or here, not here because it is green. Blue, it should be here again, right side, not left side. Formula: up clockwise, right clockwise, up anti-clockwise, right anti-clockwise, up anti-clockwise, front anti-clockwise, up clockwise, front clockwise. It became, we sourced second, first, second. And that's it.